G'day, g'day, comrade subscribers. So, I finally got another, excuse me, 3D printer, and it doesn't work. So let me put it back together and show you what the problem is. So it's pretty simple actually. You've just got the base, and then you've got the gantry, which slips in, then 2 bolts either side, then you just connect up the motor and the sensor up there, and the same on the other side. And then we've got the screen that goes on the front there. So let me get it all connected up. Right, so it's basically all connected up. Got wiring there. We've got the filament thing there. We've got cabling there. We've got cabling there, and we've got cabling there, and this cable here is connected, and then the screen here is connected, and that's basically it. That was already the hot plate was already, whatever, printing plate, heating plate was already connected, power's in. Before you put this side in, you've got to make sure the voltage is set correctly, because that's where the power supply is, under there. And power on. Hello, hello. Very reflective. Just wait. So I got it yesterday. Hasn't worked. Yes, I know I should put the filament goes on the side here. No point hooking up the filament because it doesn't work. I have updated the it's got the USB port there, so I have updated the firmware. That's obviously the model there. Don't think there's, so it's all pretty simple. I have got the base plate off, so we're going to have a look at the inside. I couldn't see anything, couldn't see any cables disconnected, but we'll have a look at that. And straight away we get this key 110 error. So we can't really do anything. We go details. And fault reporting we can't do because we haven't got it set up yet. So we can't do anything else. So we get this error straight away. All we can do is restart. And restarts, and then we get the error again. So I'm not very impressed. Hasn't even done the initial calibration or whatever. Okay, now it's reset. We get a little bit. We can actually do that. Set up the network. So I've already got that set up. And then it should remember. I think it remembers time zone. Start detecting. But we're just going to get the error again. There, see, we get the error again. And all we can do is... no, can't do that. You need to bind it, which I already have. All we can do is restart. So, let's pull it apart. This is the next error we get. Abnormal nozzle. And then we get this error come up again. So we've just restarted. Please Please place the printing platform where? Start detecting. And then we go back to this again, then we get that abnormal nozzle thing. So yeah, it hasn't, hot plate's not heating up at all. Yeah. Let's see. Right. Now before I pull it apart, so this is the box that came in. So this is the first thing that's kind of really put me off, is that pretty much straight out lying. It's supposed to be coming from a local warehouse in Sydney, which is 4.5 hour drive away. It took 2 weeks. 2 weeks to travel 4.5 kilometers, 4.5 hours. Oh, there go the kookaburras. So I don't think it actually came from Sydney. It took 2 weeks. That seems to indicate it came from China. I don't care if it came from China, but don't advertise something that's going to technically arrive here in 3 days and it's going to take 2 weeks if it's going to come from China. If it's got to come from China, it comes from China, I'll wait 2 weeks. But, you know, you're telling me it's coming from Sydney, I'm expecting it here in 3 days, and you give me an invalid tracking number as well. You don't respond to emails. So yeah, not a good start. But anyway, let's have a look what's inside this thing. So it's just a bunch of screws that need to be undone, pretty simple. And the base comes off, and we've just got a fan there. Just lean it against there. And this is the inside. So I had a look. So this is the power supply, obviously. First thing everyone says is, have you got the voltage set correctly? So either 110 or 230. So yes, it is set for 230. But I had a look. All the connectors seem to be glued into place. So we've got, I guess that's the Wi-Fi antenna there. But everything, well, I'm assuming they're all in the right place. There are, you know, obviously missing connectors. You know, it could be maybe this should be plugged into there. I don't know. But you would have thought that this was tested before it left the factory. Then we've got a flex connector there for the display there. But yeah, I couldn't see. I'm assuming the MCU is, you know, one of these main parts there. Got some heat sinks there. Got some transistors. But I couldn't see anything obvious. And as you can see the kind of the yellowish there. So they have been glued in so that they don't come out during transit. But, you know, could it be that this needs to be plugged into there, for example? Like, I don't know. The good thing is I did hear back from customer support today. I got an email back, just had to send off, you know, when did I buy it, what's the serial number, what have I done. But don't know if I'm going to hear back. It's something simple. Let's see. So I'm not too happy at the moment. Brand new and it doesn't work. Let's see. So actually I'm just having a quick look. See, this is labelled USB, and as you can see there, we've got outlines for USB connectors. So that obviously goes off to USB. I know USB works. As we do have this other board here, labelled, okay, nozzle, USB Y axis, I guess. No idea what that is. So here we've got fan controllers or fan connectors. So we've got one fan there, another fan there, heat. So that goes off to that bundle there. Yeah, so yeah, don't know. Fortunately, have to wait. Let's see.